right, you behind a computer, don't be so lazy with your recording. Just set up the camera and record. You don't have to catch every single scene. Just as long as you capture something, just keep on recording and keep on capturing the moment. It's the next day. As you see here, we will continue. But now, we got the extension cord. Gotta be more prepared. Extension cord should stay in the truck. Especially it's coming as she trying to start an IT business. It's even a good time to even start a new business. It's time to partner up with somebody. To be honest. Kind of go in, kind of go out, and that way it goes down. So I'm gonna try to cut a design like that down there. Let's say something right here. Where's it hitting it? Bottom perfect. Bottom ready to go in and twist, but this top is that little part right here. Woo! That's nice, perfect fit. This one wasn't, oh shit, where is it? Trial period right here. This right here, I like doing this. I like doing that. I like this part. I make it tall as possible. And then put a hole right in the middle. So, oh shit, I ain't even showing anything. I kinda need to go outside. I'll be more confident with it. I'm trying not to make a mess. A different way to add some water. That's enough. You'll take this. It's a little thick right now. Okay, check. Don't let it drip off the edge. This dude told me he gotta trust me with plastic. Nigga, I gotta trust you. What I'm talking about. That's what I do. Do this all day long. Trust me with plastic. Somebody always trying to qualify me for something to see if I fit into their lives. That's stupid. There we go. That's what we want. Let's go check it out. That's the other side. Little sloppy, but I'm gonna get it when it sands. That's it, folks. On to the next destination. 100%, let me tell you this. 100% was overthinking on this job. Could have had this done 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks, 2 months ago. That's how long I've been overthinking this. You already know what this is about. I'm gonna be my best self. Right in fucking front of you. Motherfucking cold. Fresh cut, you know what it is? I realize when I'm making invoices and when I have little money, I know when I first started off at the beginning, I would do this. I'll make the invoices huge for simple jobs. I try to get it up to 3 or 4 grand. That's what I do. I try to get it up because I ain't have money. So I'm like, damn, this is time to make money. So I got to send some big invoices. But now, today time, it's more like I got some money and I just want to keep going. I just want to keep going forward for the experience to learn and just the enjoyment of doing some shit every single day. But now, when I make those invoices, it don't even be that much. It be like a couple dollars. It don't really even be that much. But then those invoices move a lot faster and they keep coming back. Goddamn bird shitting on my thing, man. What this bird come and I come shit on his nest, huh? See how he feel. Come shit on his kids and his sons. Come in and shit on his eggs and his food. I almost touch that shit. I might as well clean the whole window, you know? This place nice. Dang, look how tall I am. What you looking to move?
I'm trying to get it centered on that.
Oh, it's centered on the light.
Yeah. But I think I can do it like this.
You gotta look.
Drill a hole in here for the P-trap. It needs to go right in here.
Where's the top go?
It's flush with the top.
Oh, that's cool. That looks pretty good. And then you can adjust the light over if you need to. Like the light just need to move on right inch.
It's barely got screwed in. All right, cool. Yep. I'll do that tomorrow. Put the lid on the paint. Somebody cut a hole in my hood.
Oh, this is a huge back. You know,
I guess it's
I'll build like a little boring back here. You know.
This property belongs to the Metropolitan Sewer District.
Yeah, it's like they access land just in case they need to get access to it.
Easement property.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that. Built out a pallet going all the way down. Tree grew over.
Is it a through creek?
It's moving, but I think it's moving in the wrong direction. They're supposed to move south. It should be that way.
Moving away from the city. It's like it's moving towards us. He had some firewood back here. He was making some plans.
But you got room down there for a little clubhouse? Man, I would deck this motherfucker. I'd clear me some trees, you know, make a clearing and build a log cabin down here. It'd be the shit. You could have parties all the time. Nobody would even care.
I sure would. Look how far you away from the street, and then you in this little through neighborhood. Nobody come through here, so you can really have some.
Pit down there. I want this property.
I wonder how high that water would go. You can probably put a boat in there sometimes.
They still pulling up like this is a buffet. They pulled up with 10 cop cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One just left. Oh, there's one behind there. Yes. $2 for some air. $2 for some fucking air. Damn. I'm going to quick trip. As nice as this machine is, no Circle K. That looks good. Is it dry? Is this mug dry? It's dry. We can work with that. Just got like a small little sand block, really. It feels good. It's the time of the day most people don't get to see. Did I reach it? I need my access card so I can keep making videos. Let's get it. Blue tape in. The final product. Wow. Yo, he moved out so fast, he left behind some goodies. A whole Dyson, and it works. A whole Dyson vacuum cleaner. You see the work. So I got a little trash right here. People buy vacuum cleaners, but they don't know how to empty them. And they'd be like, this shit don't work no more.